Good day. In this video I will show you how to set up the bracelet of this watch Casio A168W, and the method will also apply to similar bracelet design. First we will need another tool, and that is this one, screwdriver with a flat end like this, or you can also use spring bar remover and so on. Okay, first we need to measure where to put the buckle, and to do that we can use a marker like this one, and I will put the watch on my wrist, so the hook position should be there. Now I give mark here. Let's check once more. Now we can use the screwdriver to open or pry open this buckle, and wait, insert here and then pry open. Okay, and then move this part here so that you can see this small bar is above the marker. And then press this flap to lock. Okay, done. That's right. It fits well. Okay, that's all for these short tips on how to adjust this bracelet, and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.